Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman. Welcome back to your project run through, and we're down in the North Buckhead area today, taking a look at a house that's under contract. The buyer and their real estate agent brought us out, and so we're only limited to the couple of things that they talked about in their inspection amendment. And so I love houses like this. This is a California contemporary house. The sellers have tried to keep up on it, but maintenance is key. And what's happened on a couple of these repairs. And you can see now this repair was probably done 4 or 5 years ago at this front window. And so they replaced this freeze board right here. And you can kind of see the wrinkling in the wood because this joint right here wasn't caulked properly. So the water's been getting in and getting around. You can't see it so well, but see the edge of this cap right here, the strip cap? So the water's been getting in. You see wrinkling right here. All the way through this board is rotted. And so even though the caulk failed, that's what started this. If they had back primed and sealed all the edges of this freeze board, it wouldn't have rotted. So my carpenters will replace this piece all the way across. We don't want to have an extra joint here, so we'll replace that piece. And then the window below has rotted as well, so we've got some repair work to do on the custom cut 2x3 molding around this lower window. And then at the back of the house, there's another window, set of really cool bank of windows back here. And it points out another thing that comes up all the time when you see these videos from us. We talk about the evils of horizontal cuts and not back priming and sealing the wood. And that's exactly what happened here. A few years ago, painters came out to touch up paint or paint this back wall and made some repairs. And it's all that time it took for this to rot out again. And you can kind of see what's going on in this window on the main floor. This main window right here in the corner, this frame, and you're not going to see it in the video so well, but if you look closely, you'll see a line in here on the inside frame. It's a horizontal cut. They did the same thing on the trim. And it just trapped the water and rotted it out again. If they had back primed and sealed everything, it wouldn't have rotted. So this corner right here, we need to fix on this window. And then I'll try to get a better angle on it here so you can see it. You can obviously see the rest of the rot that's here on these lower windows. We call these transom windows, even though that's not really their purpose here, but just the smaller window. So this cap is rotted. The 2x3, this is all custom cut molding around this window is rotted here. We'll replace that. The center piece right here is rotted through this 1x4. This is rotted up here as well, and there's a cross section right here. You can see the wrinkling in here. So we'll come from this corner, come out about 4 feet. But everything we replace will be back primed and sealed. The center transom window is the same issue in through here. And then we've got a little bit more on this right window over here. On the bottom corner, if I get my finger to it, I'm squinting in the sunshine here too. There you go. Right through here, here, and here. So we'll spot repair that wood. It's a beautiful house. This customer also wants us to go ahead and repaint this house, and we'll give them a separate quote for that. And when we do that, we'll probably find some other rotted wood in the house, just because it's the nature of the thing. You know, when we go over these houses, if we're painting a house like this, we hand wash it, and we'll go over every inch of this house and scrub brushes and do it the right way, just like my granddad did and his dad, and now me, and before too long, my son, who's 11 now, and comes out and helps us with some of these jobs and starts to bid them and stuff. But there's never an end of work for us. We love houses like this. This is a really cool house, so we'll have fun doing the work for them. But the headache is really finding the carpenters to do the level of carpentry work that we do on these repairs. And unfortunately in Buckhead, if something should have cost $500, it's suddenly $5,000 because of this zip code, which we don't operate that way. Our pricing is based on the work, and that's why we've been in business for 25 years. So we're relationship people. Be patient with us. You can reach us at 770-912-2829. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.